I'm happy this morning. I know you're happy too.
Yeah.
For about 14 years ago, you had a fire here. But about that. And you 23. Well, thank you. UDC has came in and has assisted us. And then under the leadership of the then mayor, Delroy Williams, he had carried on another part. And I'm here to complete the task. And completing the task is to actually to open the place, hand over your keys. But before we do that, I just want to ask everyone to make sure you take care of it.
Yes, sir.
To make it run down. What we try to do, we try to change the name to show you that it's a business center or a commercial center.
Yeah.
That's what we're arguing. Because you are no less of a business person than the person who is NCB or the big company. Right. You just have to do have that money. Right. That is what I want to see your mind as. One thing that you are required to do, you are required to sign a lease agreement with the KCMC. And also, remember, you are also required to connect with JPS. The pay as you go thing. Remember we discussed all of that?
Yeah.
Because we KCMC can pay the little small money we're not paying now. We can't pay JPS. And that's why we really consider the rate, whatever I'm paying, other people we don't say, boy, we can get our fee and you get everything. Yeah. And the last thing I want to talk about, I don't want nobody when get inside there, come up on the road. Right? Because what we are trying to do, we are trying to keep you sterile. So don't tell me they don't have no competition. Right? So I remind you all that because we discussed those things already. Some people now smile like I first in my ear. You know what I mean? And lastly, don't bother come here and take it and then go re-rent it, because that can't work neither. Yeah. We are partners, and I've always said we'll talk over issues. Yeah. And I've done that so far. What I encourage you to do is form a little market committee, have your representative who will interface with the KCMC. So another when problem there, una reach out, we want to have constant dialogue. How we can help you to make this place a better place. That's all we want. All right? Yeah. Thank you. City engineer also, the city inspector, and all of the market person, Akeem also, and the chairman of and vice chairman of the commercial committee, along with you to make this a reality. Thank you very much.